are you tired of bending over as a contractor? You know what I mean? Like having to work for very, very cheap just because you don't have any more leads coming in and you rather have work than no work at all. But then at the same time, you're not making any profit. Well, that was me for a very long time. And I noticed that my problem was that I didn't have enough clients so that I could tell the people that didn't appreciate my work or didn't give me what I was valued at and tell them to go look for someone else and keep all the clients that would pay me whatever I told them to. And so I figured out how to create a website and how to run Google Ads properly and all of this. It took me a while, right? But now I have a proven formula that works for any sort of construction, interior or exterior. So if you're looking to get more clients, then, join me in my mini course and I'll see you guys there.